Hi viewers, this is the sixth episode of Learn Awadhi language series, and today we will learn some random Awadhi sentences and words of the Awadhi language. So let's begin with the first sentence. He went to school. U school ga. This is past tense. If this was in present tense, it would be U school jata hai. He is going to school. And if it was future tense, he will go to school. U school jaye. He wrote the book. वो किताब लिखिस. He is writing the book. वो किताब लिखता है. And uh, if the person who is writing the book is female, it would be वो किताब लिखतिया है. If it is a male, वो किताब लिखता है. लिखता है, लिखतिया है. There is a small e sound. Okay. He ate his food. वो अपन खाना खाए लिहिस. Did he give you the book or not? वो तोहका किताबिया दिहिस की नाही. Tomorrow I will not come to school. काल हम स्कूल ना आऊब. Why? Where are you going tomorrow? कहे कहाँ जाता हा तू काल? I am going to my grandmother's home tomorrow. हम काल अपन दादी के घरे जाता ही. He has a dog at his home. ओकरे घरे में एक ठो कुकुर है. This is the correct translation of this sentence. He has a dog at his home. ओकरे घरे में एक ठो कुकुर है. What is written here is वो अपन घरे में एक ठो कुकुर पाले है. It means that he has kept a dog at his home. This paint suits this wall. ई रंग ई दीवार का बहुत सुहाता है. और ई रंग ई दीवार का सुहाता है. Don't chit chat with him. ओसे बतकही जिन करा. So these were the 10 random sentences of Awadhi language. If you want to learn more sentences, you can go to learnawadhilanguage.blogspot.com, and if you want translation of any specific sentence, you can comment it in the comment box, or you can even comment it on the blog itself. We will reply you there. Thank you.